Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel. My name is Michelle, and in this video we are going to discuss the classroom registration bulk edit feature. I currently have you logged in as an administrator, and I'm going to take you over to the left navigation where it says classes and click it open. This will bring us to the classes and rosters, and we are going to discuss the bulk edit, bulk copy, and clear rosters. So an example of using the bulk feature, maybe you have classes in the past year and you want to reuse them and put them into a new matrix for next year. So let's do the bulk copy first. So currently, I'm going to go ahead and remove my filters because I did have a filter in here. So I'm going to filter out my matrix from this past year. I'm going to apply the filter. You can choose from here individual classes that you want to copy, or you could do a bulk copy by selecting all. So we're going to do a select all, and we're going to choose the bulk copy. And yes, I want to bulk copy those 7 classes. Now, what it's going to do is it's going to ask you a couple things. First of all, it's going to ask you if you wish to duplicate all of the related assignments, grading, and assessments that were in the previous classes into the new classes. And this is very beneficial for your teachers. So if your teacher is going to teach the same class next year, and the assignments, like for instance general science or physical science, those upper high school classes, their assignments are probably going to be the same. They're just going to repeat them. So you would want to check off that checkbox, and it'll bring everything over. The only thing it will not bring over in a bulk copy is the assignment resources. So if you want to do a bulk copy of assignment resources, then you will need to individually copy the classes. Okay, the next thing it's going to say is that it's copying the classes from your old matrix, okay, and it's going to the existing same matrix, or you could give it a new name. Now, I've already created another matrix called 2020-21, so that's where I want to put my new classes. Now, if you didn't have a new matrix set up already, you could just type it into the new matrix name. So let's hit copy class, and 7 classes have been copied. All right, let's remove our filter, and let's filter out that new matrix. All right, so here are all of our classes, and you will notice that it has the word copy. So you will need to individually go into the classes and edit out the word copy. And we put that there in case you're copying a class into the same matrix and you know which one you're working on. So we'll go ahead and take that out and save the change. And you'll need to do that for each class. But at this point, I also want to do a bulk edit, and I want to change all the dates. There's certain fields that I want to change now because it's the next year. So I'm going to choose select all, and I'm going to say bulk edit. And I'm going to say yes, I want to bulk edit 7 classes. So if you're still in the process of your current year, one of the things you're not going to want to do is you're not going to want to enable class forums. You're not going to want to enable the dashboard or the home page. So I'm going to uncheck those for now. After classes end in your current year, then you could do a bulk edit and you can enable all those, because what will happen is your students, your parents, your instructors, they're going to start seeing double classes on their dashboard and home pages. So if you're currently in classes, you don't want to do that. You want to hold off on that. So I'm going to uncheck those for now. We're going to pretend we're still in classes. Another thing I'm going to do is I'm going to come down here and I'm going to change the academic year to the next year, which I've already created prior to my bulk edit. Then I'm going to change the date. So we're going to go to 2020, September. And then we're going to go to May 2021. And if you have a new payment schedule, you could change it. I don't right now, so I'm going to take out that payment schedule until I create one. We'll scroll down a bit. There's other fields that you could change, but remember, whatever you change here, you're going to be changing it for all the classes that you've chosen. And then we're going to go ahead and save changes. So if I go ahead and look at the class matrix now, and I go up to the right here to preview my matrix, I will see my 2020 classes right here. I have it hidden right now, but I can create a class grid widget page to show just that widget. Okay, so let's take you back to our classes and rosters. Another bulk edit or bulk feature that we have is called clear rosters. Now, this will clear rosters of any classes that you choose, but we do want to say to use this with caution. If your teachers are using the classroom homepage for assignments or grades or attendance or anything like that, you definitely do not want to clear rosters. Instead, you want to copy the class and then archive the old class, so all of the assignments, the grades, and anything that's attached to the student will remain intact. So again, the clear rosters use with caution. Okay, if you have any questions, please create a support ticket through the administrator site and we'd be happy to help you.